Good morning, this is Pramod Jaiswal from English Chronicles. Today I am going to deal with another novel, Tamas. And the question is very important. Comment on the significance of the title of the novel Tamas. As you know, Tamas is a Hindi word that means lack of knowledge, the darkness due to lack of knowledge. So, means darkness is written by a renowned author and he was also an actor, Bhisham Sahani. He was born in Rawalpindi. He was a playwright, Indian writer, and now it is in Pakistan in 1915, and he died in 2003. And he was the most prominent Hindi writers of the 20th century. So, in this one, this is actually a tale of darkness, the rat during pre-independence period and the independence period that took place before India got its independence. And that is the plot of the novel. And you know, this was instigated, deliberately done to create riot, planned. So it is set in the motion of Nathus is the character, act of killing a pig at night, and he threw the dead body, the dead carcass, at the entrance of a mosque, creating a confusion among the community in a large town of West Punjab. The administration finally decides to take action, and law and order was restored. But there is an uneasiness. The peace is disturbed in the area. The title signifies its sensitivity and the portrayal of the communal riots which had happened and mass killing of people that results in India's partition. It explores a series of the mishappenings you can say, that had occurred during 1947 when partition and independence went on side by side. The title reflects our refusal to see things in the right perspective. It means we do not see or we do not want to observe things with our mind, with reasoning. It shows our ignorance to this mad act like killing and the criminal activities. We turned a Nelson eye to it. The title Tamas suggests darkness and death, which relates with the atmosphere of that time. The word Tamas also takes us back to the ancient Sanskrit word known phrase Tamo Sama Jyotirgamaya, which means may the light of knowledge remove the darkness of ignorance. The title of the novel is a Hindi word meaning one of the three qualities that comprise all elements of being. Tamas is completely negative. However, a person whose tamas is strong will be full of anger, despair, hopelessness, hatred, laziness, and he would likely to live in a contrast state of chaos at worst. So if you like this video, please press the like button and share among your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.